Good morning children, welcome to class 4 Social Studies, the Great Northern Plains. This is the lesson we are going to start now children. So here we are going to see about the plains, northern plains children. So in the last lesson it was the northern mountains. We learnt about Himalayas, Karakoram range, Purvanchal range like that. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the plains children. Mainly what happens now children, the rivers originate in the mountains, okay, they flow in the plains children. So what are plains? See, plains are the large areas of flat and level lands children, okay. So when you go and stand in a place, you don't see mountains or any hills or any highlands children. Everywhere, wherever you see, it looks like a flat land children, okay. So that is called as plains. Plains are the large areas of flat and level lands. It is leveled children, okay. So it will not have up and down. The lands don't look like that children, okay. So sometimes when you can visit in the village, you can find the agriculture field children. It is all a leveled land, okay. So nearby the village also you can see a river flowing children. So what happens in the northern plains, the rivers originating from the Himalayas flow through these plains children, and where they are located, you know, they are the south of the Himalayas. Actually, we tell it as northern mountains children. So it is considered as north. So these plains, to that it will be south children. That's why they are telling it's the location as the south of the Himalayas children. So observe in the map children. See this green color areas is there, no? Up to here, this one Assam, Meghalaya, this place, starting from Punjab children. All these places are your northern plains. Here also children, this West Bengal. Okay, still here the Ganga drains children, this place. Okay. So what happens, the rivers originating from the Himalayas flow through the northern plains children. So what they bring, you know, the rivers bring silt, sand. Okay, silt means fine soil, like clay soil like that children. And then sand. Sand will be little coarse, okay. You would have seen for building construction and all, they will use the sand children, not the soil. They will use the sand. It is a coarse one children. Silt, sand and minerals children. So which is required for the plant growth. Many minerals from the mountain side it will bring children, okay. Minerals means like iron ore, copper, so many are there. That one you will learn it in science. So minerals and stones children. Near the mountains you can see big rock children. So when you visit a waterfall, okay, so you can observe big rocks and little medium rocks you can observe children. But when you come to the plains, you can see only the water flowing, okay. You can't see big rocks children. So what happens now, the mountains bring the rocks, they dash against each other and they break and they form fine sand particles. The sand only at last it forms the soil children, okay. So rivers bring silt, sand, minerals, stones from the mountains and deposit on the banks children. What is mean by banks? See, a river is flowing like this now children. These two side, the sand, soil is there now. This side is called as bank. So they will always say the river has two banks. So it is rich. Okay, the river has two banks on its side children. Then how long this northern plains, you know, it stretched from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east children, okay. I show you it in the map. So Punjab this place, so Punjab in the west to Assam in the east children. So it covers the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, like that. All those places you get the plains children. So, this Gangetic plain, they will tell children, this is the largest and the fertile regions. These northern plains in the world, it is the largest and fertile region, children. Fertile means the plants can grow well in the soil and you can have good yield, children. Yield means you can produce more quantity. Okay, otherwise you can tell it as produce also, or you can tell it as yield. Yield means you can produce more quantity, children. Okay, as water is available, you can produce more quantity. And then this fertile, finely graded soil is called as alluvium, children. Alluvium. Okay, so we generally learn it as alluvial soil. Okay, this fertile, finely graded soil is called as alluvium. Okay, and here agriculture is the main occupation, children. Okay, they grow different crops, and then it is thickly populated, children. Population is more in the northern plains, children. Okay, in Uttar Pradesh and all, it is thickly populated, children. More, it is as the rivers have bring water, no, so it is always fertile and more people live near the river side, children. Okay, and based on this northern plains, you have the great river basins, children. It is being classified into three. Okay, the great river basins, they are the Sutlej basin, the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin. Three basins, children. The Sutlej basin, the Ganga basin and the Brahmaputra basin. So one by one we are going to see about the children. So the first one is your Sutlej basin. Okay, the Sutlej is a river, children. Okay, it flows through Punjab. Okay, Sutlej is a river. It flows through Punjab, children. In the physical map you can find it out, children. So in your textbook also, see before entering India how the Sutlej river looks. Okay, it's in Tibet now, children. That is, it's flowing through Tibet also. Then it enters India, children. Okay, the Sutlej river valley in Tibet before entering India, children. How it looks. Okay, that one. So the westernmost part of the northern plains, children. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the Sutlej basin. Okay, the northwestern part, children. So that is your Punjab. Okay, it is flown by the river Sutlej and its tributaries. It originates in Tibet, children. Okay, it originates in Tibet, and then one more river also flows, children. That is Ravi Beas. Okay, the one is the Sutlej river and another one is your Beas river. Beas, children. This one also flows through Punjab. What happens now? These two rivers join, children, in Pakistan. Okay, they go to Pakistan also and they join with the river, Indus. They join with the river Indus, children. Okay, and it flows as a big river, children. Indus is a big river. They are a boon to the people of Punjab, children. Boon means like a wish. Okay, so it is very helpful to the people of Punjab so that they can grow different crops, children. So agriculture is the main crop and mainly wheat and then rice, cotton and sugarcane are grown here, children. Wheat. Punjab is very famous for the wheat growing regions, children. Actually it is called as land of 5 rivers. Okay, 5 rivers flow through Punjab, children. Ravi, Beas, Jhelum, Chenab, Sutlej, these rivers. So one famous dam is also built across Sutlej, children. It is Bakranangal Dam. Okay, it is Bakranangal Dam. It is known as Bakranangal Dam. Okay, so it has made the irrigation facility for the Punjab. Okay, The next one we are going to see is the Ganga basin, children. So in India, Ganga is the largest river. It originates from the Gangotri glacier, children. Okay, it originates from the Gangotri glacier and flows towards the full northern plains, children. Okay, and its tributaries, all form together form a big river, children. So what are the tributaries of Ganga? We will see. It is Yamuna, Gagra, Kosi, Gandak, Gomati, Chambal and Son, children. Many small rivers are also there. Once again I repeat the main tributaries, children. Yamuna, Gagra, Kosi, Gandak, Gomati, Chambal and Son, children. So these are the tributaries. Tributaries means the rivers which go and join with the main river, children. So these rivers go and join with the Ganga. Okay. So what are the states it's flowing through? No, Uttarakhand. So from there stop up the Himalayan side. Uttarakhand, then Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. So all these places, these Ganges flow, children. Okay. And the river Ganga meet the river Yamuna at Allahabad, and this place is called Sangam. Okay. So Allahabad is also a place of birth of Jawaharlal Nehru. So here Yamuna and Ganga meet, children. That place is called as Sangam. Okay. Then now what happens? This Ganga river enters West Bengal. It divides into two branches, children. Okay. One is Padma. It is named as Padma in Bangladesh. This Ganga river, no, it is named as Padma river in Bangladesh and joins with the Brahmaputra, children. Okay. So Brahmaputra is flowing from the Assam side. So in Bangladesh, both this Ganga and Brahmaputra joins, children. It gets a name as Padma. Okay. So the other branch is Hooghly river, children. Hooghly river. So one part of Ganga goes to Bangladesh. The other part flows as Hooghly. Okay. In India, children. West Bengal. So Calcutta city is located on the banks of the river Hooghly, children. Okay. Then many important towns are situated along wherever Ganga flows, no, children. You have so many cities like Kedarnath, Haridwar, Badrinath, Allahabad. Yes, then in West Bengal you have the Calcutta city. So many important cities are located, children. Okay. And this Ganga basin is known as the food bowl of India, because it produces more quantity of rice, wheat and sugarcane, children. Other crops are also grown, but these are main, children. Rice, wheat and sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh and all is the leading producer of sugarcane, children, in India. Okay. Then main crops, that's all, children. So the remaining topics we will see it in the next class, children. Thank you.